What's up, guys? Another video with Outdoorsman in Kentucky. I keep seeing everybody make these cold start videos with these Honda 300s. This is mine. It's a 95 model, four-wheel drive. I got the plow on it. Don't mind my winch wars, because, well, we'll just leave it at that. But this is my code start for my 300 right here. Show you its code. Choke it. There you go. Now, unlike my four-wheeler, this guy right here, well, probably didn't help I left the key on. Nothing. Deader than 4 o'clock. You can see we got a pretty good lot of snow here. I think we got a little bit over 2 inches. I'm getting ready to start plowing the driveway just a little bit more. Y'all don't mind my mess I got here. This is my little booster box. I left it out in the snow like a big dodo bird. I left it plugged up, so we'll see what it does. And yes, my water hose is unhooked. Just put a new battery in this thing, by the way, too. So, oh gosh, I forgot this thing had a deck on it. So, let's do this right here. Probably not a good idea to do this in the winter time either. This has got the 21 horsepower color, or Breaking Stratton Craftsman motor. See if I can get this hooked up here without making a big hoorah everything. Y'all let me know what y'all like to see me do. I ain't got like a ridiculous amount of time to make videos. Which I'm not saying everybody does. Calling this Cold Start Sunday. Turn this thing on. Pull the choke out. See what she does. Uh-oh. There we go. There we go. Yeah, y'all ever seen a gasoline engine that hard to start before? Because I've not. That was probably the first one I ever seen that hard to start, you know, whenever it runs, you know, pretty regular. Take this back over here and put it on charge. I try to keep it charged up from my Chevrolet I got sitting down the hill. Oh yeah, by the way, I picked this up at Sam's Club about a year ago. It's a Stanley Fat Max. It's got a compressor, jump box, and you can charge stuff off of it. Pretty cool. So this is a 95 300. And I'm not really sure what this thing right here is. I don't know the make and model. I don't know the year of it. I bought it a couple of years ago, and it's done pretty well since. You can tell 300, it does well. Probably still a little cold. It does good though. Does what I need to do. Well, this is gonna be all for this video. Like I said, I'm still new to this, so y'all just bear with me. Let me know what you want to see, and hit that subscribe button down there if you don't care for me. Thanks.